Hey there, future millionaires. Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the world of wealth, success, and financial freedom. If you're looking for wisdom from the best in the business, you've come to the right place. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of one of the greatest investors of all time, Warren Buffett. The Oracle of Omaha, as he's called, built a net worth of over $100 billion by following simple but powerful principles. So, grab a notebook and get ready to learn the 7 wealth-building lessons from Warren Buffett that could change your financial future. Let's dive right into it. Advice 1. Never lose money. Buffett's one rule is simple: don't lose money. And the second rule? Never forget the first rule. What does this mean? It's not just about avoiding losses, it's about making calculated, low-risk investments that protect your capital. Buffett believes that preserving wealth is just as important as growing it. So, before you make any financial move, ask yourself, is this a smart, long-term decision? Advice 2. Invest in yourself. Your most valuable asset isn't your stocks, your business, or even your bank account. It's you. Buffett emphasizes the importance of continuous learning. Read books, take courses, and develop skills that make you more valuable. Because the more you learn, the more you earn. Advice 3. Avoid debt. Debt can be a wealth killer. Warren Buffett is famously cautious about borrowing money, especially for things that don't generate income. His advice? Live below your means and avoid lifestyle inflation. If you must borrow, make sure it's for something that will increase in value, like education or business. Advice 4. Think long-term. Buffett's success comes from his long-term mindset. He once said, "Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." Invest with patience and don't be swayed by short-term market fluctuations. The real wealth lies in consistent, long-term growth. Advice 5. Focus on quality, not quantity. Buffett isn't interested in owning hundreds of companies. He focuses on a few high-quality investments. His advice? Look for businesses with a strong track record, competent management, and a competitive edge. Quality will always beat quantity when it comes to building wealth. Advice 6. Surround yourself with the right people. Your network is your net worth. Buffett advises you to associate with people who are better than you. Why? Because the right people will push you to grow, improve, and reach new heights. Advice 7. Give back. Finally, Buffett is a firm believer in using wealth to make the world a better place. He's pledged to donate over 99% of his fortune to charity. His lesson? True wealth isn't just about accumulating money. It's about making a positive impact on others. And there you have it, 7 powerful pieces of advice from the legendary Warren Buffett. Now it's time for you to take action. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments which piece of advice resonated with you the most. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more life-changing content like this. Until next time, stay focused, stay wealthy, and keep building your financial future. See you in the next video.